Hello viewers, today I will be showing you all the current update of the ongoing new access road that the governor of Anambra State, Professor Soludo, is constructing to link up Nkpor as Nkpor. Many of you that are familiar with this area, this is New Tarzan area. So this road you are seeing from New Tarzan, that's Akuzo Nkpor, will link up to 33 Road, that's Nkwelle Road. This is the effort that the governor of Anambra State, Professor Soludo, is making to reduce the stress people are going through in order to access both towns. That's Nkpor to Nkwelle Road. So if you are coming from New Tarzan, you can see how the road is on Third Road in a deplorable state. It has been like this for decades. So now they are constructing major access road to link up with the express, that's New Tarzan Nkpor. So this road now, the construction company handling this road, that's Canopy Construction Company. They are a reputable company. It's the same construction company that constructed Anambra State Airport Road and Nzam Road. They are very good in handling this kind of terrain. So you can see how densely this area is, but no good access road. So soon, once this road is completed, those living around here will have easy access to connect to express and also Nkwelle. It will be very easy for them to link up to both ends. The road is in a deplorable state. You can see, despite the fact I'm using bike to go there, you can see how terrible this road is. Imagine driving here with your vehicle. So be patient. I'm heading to where the construction company handling this road, where they are now. They started the project from Nkwelle section. This road you are seeing comes with two culverts. So I'm heading there to show you all the progress of work going on there. This is the effort the governor is making to open up every corners of Anambra State. You can see how terrible this road is. In a deplorable state, it has been like this for years. But soon, the stress will be over. So I'm patient to watch the progress of this important project, which connects to two major towns within Onitsha metropolis. This road you are seeing will reduce the stress, the time people waste in order to connect to Nkwelle, that's 33, to GRA. So if you are coming through Nkpor, Ogidi, and want to link up to GRA Onitsha or 33 Nkwelle section, it will now be very easy. So I'm approaching where the construction company is now. I'm approaching. You can see how the road is. So watch the rest of the video. If this is your first time, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification button to be able to follow up with a lot of projects going on in Anambra State. So as you can see, this is major water body. They are done. There is very massive culvert here. So I will show you the culverts. So now here is now accessible. There is river around here. That's a Nkisi river. So they've completed the culvert. The last time I was here, they were still constructing it. There was no, you can't access both sides, but now they are done. And some fill the area. So the construction company, they are doing great. This is one of the culvert. There's another one, which I doubt I can go there. This is a long length of road, but I will show you some part of the road for you all to see how the road is progressing. You can see they've done drainage channels on both sides of the road. There is improvement from my last visit. Last time I was here, there was valley around here, but they were able to maneuver and create access road. From my last visit, they've done asphalt certain area, that's from Nkwelle section, but I won't get to that section today. So watch.